Yes.
Teacher's guide.
Yes. Mwenye teacher's guide yako ona questions and answers. Yes. Ndianyuretire answers. Kana ifu kule ule to mwongozo wa fasihi. Yes. Ndio mwalimu rũĩ abatie kumufundithia. Rĩu kweli mumokaga na mau na kweli munao aga ni undu wa kumenyera experience and maybe their their genius status mokaga marũgie
Inari mwalimu kakirathia tari ibuku.
Yes.
Na guthomithia.
Wega
uria mbuku irathia.
Yes. Especially our sciences. Talk about the chemistry with Mr. Muriuki. I have never seen him carry a book. Oka ona shoka. Aje okanya kanya hau blackboard ini.
Riothe ri haha mutwe.
Ri mutwe. Akauga protons and mass. Protons and Yes, sir. Did you know that protons have mass? I did not even know they are Catholic.
Kenoa minyonyo.
Wanyitire mitha. Mr. Muriuki oke a blackboard akandika gabundithia mathaa maya
mbere
na gacomoka gutire ibuku kana rĩo maũndũ mothe meki
mutwe
athira everything you know should be in your head. You should put it in your head. Sawa
and stick.
When you go to the exam room, you not go with a textbook. You put it in your
hand.
In your hand. Kuri arimu angi nao wakoraga rimwe hihi aithe na meeting wa principal they have a staff room meeting lesson yake ni yakinya akamenya mutiko tiguro ogwo mwigangare agetha to demigod twakorwo kirathi arutwo meho meiguaga tario the colonial masters and slave drivers magetwo ni mwarimu akaheo textbook amuthomere dictation.
No, andũ acio nĩ maigua merevetĩtwo mũno mũno.
Hau mbere agetiania na metha ya mwarimu akandika topic.
Nena ibuku rĩa mwarimu akĩmuthomera.
Yes. Akajia guthoma. We are beginning our notes. Take out your books and pens. I will start dictation. Nakaja ginya kumuhemekana. And I will not repeat. Who are you? Wewe.
Unajifanya nini?
Fanya nini hapo?
Hapa mahesabu yanashika 5.
Shika 5 hapo na kuja kuturigia. History. We are writing notes on the Portuguese conquest of East Africa. Are you ready? The Portuguese conquest of East Africa began before the 16th century.
Eda pole.
I am not. Hey, shut up.
Unafikiria tunaandika na nini?
Shut up. Or I tell the teacher. Look at you. Can you tuck in?
Who are you?
Who are you? Kwenda wewe. I'm continuing. The Queen of Portugal sent Vasco da Gama to the East African coast under the instructions of capturing.
Unatukimbiza wewe ni nini?
I am not repeating. Louis Lorenzo of Vasco later was succeeded by a general called Henry Fayot.
Wadiki.
I will tell the teacher. Nini niagia mule heire bara joru muno. Athiete kwa ne mwangatheria.
Ate ne mwa boycott.
Yes.
Waja ate munyitanire gikundi.
Yes.
To boycott.
Yes. To jeopardize. A learning activity. When I started reading the notes, teacher Kenodia and his company.
Kenodia and company.
They walked out. Kenodia and your company. Nade mupige magoti. And they were mostly girls. Any questions?
Uliza maswali ya nini?
To our principal. Who is that making noise there? Who is that?
Mimi.
We want total concentration and discipline in this class.
Sawa.
If you are going to pass your exams, you have to be disciplined and focused and not becoming noisemakers who are useless. Okay?
Our Dean of Studies.
What are you saying, Kongo? Can you shut up? During the reign of King Nabogo Mumia of Wanga, the French policy of assimilation. Spell assimilation. You spell, hata mwalimu ana spellingi. Assimilation, ASSIMILATION. Pole na.
Bio ni ya nini?
Awe na eto spelele tiga kiria gwetua. Who is that speaking Kikuyu? Do you want to buy a novel?
Neni odwara kuria kundwara. Kibe.
Kimathi will buy a novel.
About he thiro wakwa 50 we.
Can you shut up?
Kwa mwalimu hau.
Kwa mwalimu kwa nane murarekerie ng'ombe ya nyuguto. The lower Paleolithic was characterized this Paleolithic ikuandika na nä kå rä andå cukuru matandäkaga noti ona mwarimu ekuo eke å rä ekaga na mainamagia karamu mama those people I think they are in the industry of entertainment. They were good actors. Agine milioma
Ena ibuku.
Yes.
Na karamu.
Yes.
Anyitete wega muno.
Yes.
Na agakainia ta arandika.
And those nincompoops no megocokerithia mwarimu na gucikia andu arandika. What's your kid? Excuse me, teacher. Repeat the last sentence.
What did you get?
That last part.
Which one?
The one you said about Ghana.
Okay, I will take it from top.
Let me repeat. The Asante had a leader called the Asante Hene and the Oman Hene. These were tribal chiefs that used to administer colonial villages. Are we together now, Kimani? Yes.
Yes.
Ona moikane thia nake no wecirie
Actors.
acio gatari riu wa uria etagwo te mundu uthakaga plays cikorwo haha theatre, this short man
Which one?
etagwo atia this guy, this actor. What is his name? Uretagio curu Jomo wa Nyathira. Mikuine mire muuni ndikiri Nani mwalimu nyoka aga sense. Kirago, bring your book. Kalirora. Arigarora mugatheka inyuothe tondu acorete matatu na akamĩakia matawa.
Na ciarĩ o thweri. Angĩonire rĩu mwarimu nĩanjia kũrũrwo wakĩheanaga dictation
Yes.
amenya mwarimu nĩakũmũkuhĩrĩria rĩ agaturn page.
Akaruga page harĩa
Nĩ kenda na 39.
na ũkĩgeranio yokari. Sara. Ndukĩrĩire notes ciaku njĩkaribicon. Skupei, ulikataa kuandika. Skupei. Eka ũrĩa wĩkaga. Ndigũkũhe notes ciakwa. Kana nacio.
Nĩ kenda na 39.